At napaka-articulate talaga ng mga joints niya. At kaya niyang gawin ang pose na ito, which is kind of ridiculous. And the only weapon included dito sa kit, ang kanyang Deimos daggers. So, looking nice with a fierce look. At kung napanood mo yung show ng ilang beses, o malamang ilang beses mo na rin nakita yung pose na to, ang kanyang death blow pag ginamit ang double blizzard. Hello sa inyo YouTube, welcome back sa Pinoy channel ng mga Gunpla builders. Metal Spy Potpot here, and today magre-review tayo ng Deimos SMP o Shokugan Modeling Project. So isa tong model kit para sa super robot na Deimos na napanood din sa Pilipinas kung batang 90s ka. But before that, thank you sa mga subscriber for supporting this channel. And without further ado, systems all green, transfer, go! Si Deimos ay isang transforming super robot din. As you can see here, ito yung kanyang out mode, which is a truck. So, transfer ang tawag sa kanya. You can see here. Ito naman yung back. So, you have the option na buksan tong pinto na to para pumasok yung kanyang small car na mukhang telepono. Pero doon sa deluxe edition, so kompleto yung accessories nila. So, but this regular edition, wala yung car na yon. And gumugulong talaga siya actually. So, yung gulong niya is made from plastic. When you go here sa bottom niya. And the way yung design ng axle allows you the wheels to actually move. So, plastic lang to. Ito yung kanya. Which is nice. So, unfortunately, yung biggest complaint ko about this Deimos SMP ay yung red parts ito. Kasi ito ay stickers lang. So, much better sana kung ito ay red plastic parts, but still not the best in putting the stickers. So, parang meron gap ng konting sa akin. But, this one will work. Transforming si Deimos is actually the fun part. So, the first thing you want to do is remove this set of wheels on the head. Yan. Tapos itong part na to is i-untab mo lang. So, pag nakita mo siyang bumuhang ganan, then you should be good. Then, i-open mo naman tong area na to para ma-expose ang katawan ni Deimos. Like so. Yung next step, so i-pull lang natin tong red piece dito. Tapos, stand natin yung sa likod. At kung nakikita nyo dito, so pwede nyo insert yung inyong fingernails para i-pull yung arms niya. So, on both sides. So, medyo nakatuck-in siya ng really good. So, kung medyo mahabang po nyo, you should be good. Yung itsura niya, once na na-pull nyo na yung kanyang arms, then i-rotate nyo lang siya ng konti dito. Like so. Then yung dalawang plastic parts sa likod, so kailangan nyo siyang i-rotate on the side para matakpan yung kanyang torso. So nakita nyo dito, meron siyang gap, parang hollow yung area na yon. So paikot lang siya, then you should be able to close the gap. Then yung sa rest ng backpack niya, so gawin nyo lang siya like this. Meron kayo nakitang hole dito. Then meron siyang peg. Then ilalak nyo lang siya. Line them up. And you should be good like this. Of course, dito sa regular version, mukha siyang may backpack, pero dun sa anime is compact yung area na to. Doon naman sa premium version is meron kayong option na lagyan siya ng parang attachment sa likod para mas anime accurate siya. Tapos, bring down lang natin yung arms on this side. Tapos yung gap dito sa may neck area, press down mo lang siya para maging flat. Like so. Then, extend natin yung arms niya. At pwede nating ilagay ang ating fist. And as you can see, almost yung kanyang upper body is gawa na. Then the next one is the lower body. So all you have to do is split the legs like so. And yung sapit niya na to is, this one will be pushed here. At ito naman, gamit ang inyong kuko or hobby knife, will cover that one. At ang part na ito ay will cover dun sa empty cavity niya here. So same with the other side. So sticker lang to. Then i-pull down lang natin ang leg attachment na to. Tapos i-untab natin on the side. Then what will happen next is i-rotate lang natin to. So same with the other side. Then we're gonna tuck it in inside. Like so. Then we pull this down. At kung nakita nyo, meron siyang hole dito sa red part at meron din siya dito sa white. So all we have to do is line them up. Then you can lock it in place. Like so. The back wheels of the legs. So all we have to do is press this up and lock this in place. Of course, ang pinakamagandang part, we'll just open the face and reveal Deimos. At ito na siya, ang completed Deimos SMP Shokugan Modeling Project. So, first glance, maganda yung combination ng red and white. Parang bread. So again, aesthetic-wise, mukhang anime accurate naman siya except for the backpack. So, but it's a part of the transformation dun sa kanyang transfer track mode. But still, so I'm pretty sure na napaka-dynamic ng mga poses na pwede mong gawin dito. You can see right away dito sa kanyang arm. So, yung bend niya is nice. Unfortunately, maraming limitation dito sa regular version na to. Because aside from the weapons, of course, yung backpack niya is hindi kasi anime accurate to on the show. But still, yung front skirts niya, probably you can do dynamic poses kagaya ng nasa box. So let's see the side skirt. Yeah, this one also moves. So which gives you even more poses. Okay? Actually, let's try. Yung pagpalit ng angry faceplate niya dito is not that hard. So, mas madali siya. Kasi the way na ginawa nila yung head is you can actually extend like this, tapos tatanggalin mo siyang ganun. So, ito yung parang pinaka-final pose niya after ng transformation sequence. So, very accurate sa anime actually. And again, itong head area na to ay yung kanyang Freezer Blast dun sa, actually sa parang upgrade niya dun sa parang season 2. Yep. So unfortunately, hindi mag-open to para ma-reveal yung Double Blizzard. Doon siya available sa Deluxe Edition. And yung limited, yung weapons is very limited. And may mga areas also na may limitation. Kasi itong dalawang tabs na to is very obvious na hindi nyo siya may tatago. So ganun lang talaga siya. Well, pwede mo naman siyang kulayan ng red if you want. But still, posing is not that bad. At napaka-articulate talaga ng mga joints niya. At kaya niyang gawin ang pose na ito, which is kind of ridiculous, but still, come on. That is so sick. At kung napanood mo yung show ng ilang beses, so malamang ilang beses mo na rin nakita yung pose na to. Ang kanyang death blow pag ginamit ang Double Blizzard. So, again, available dun sa premium edition yung kanyang parang karate chop hands. So, limited lang tayo dito ngayon sa close piece niya. But still, And the only weapon included dito sa kit, ang kanyang Deimos daggers. So, looking nice with a fierce look. Comes down to this, where Pot decides, whoop! Well, number one na fan ako ni Deimos nung bata pa ako. Kasi batang 90s nga. So, gusto ko yung combination ng kulay niya ng red and black. So, ang downside ng model kit na ito is yung red stickers niya here. Including dun sa transformation niya sa Trancer. Kasi madali siya mag-peel off. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng parang glue. Para mag-stay siya ng maayos. And yung backpack. So, we all know na hindi to anime accurate. So, dun sa deluxe or dun sa premium edition, so, meron siyang attachment doon para ilagay mo siya dito para mas compact yung itsura niya. Kasi dito mukha siyang parang may backpack. And, well, personally, it doesn't look good, but what can you do? So, ito yung regular edition niya. So, lumaki ako sa super robot na ito kasama ni Voltes 5. That's why, think ko, I can never pass it up. But still, if you have an option to get the deluxe version or the premium edition, much better yun ang kunin nyo. Kompleto sa accessories and more playability options. So again, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel, Metals by Potpot here. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Take care everyone and I'll see you next time. This time, Deimos is Aloha. Gunpla. See you again. Bye-bye.